recipes in, and then which recipes I'm doing. Now, first I am doing, we're starting out with do-it-yourself firecracker popsicles or bomb pops. Who loves a good bomb pop in the summer, right?
I can't eat them.
I do.
So
Why can't you eat? This is really good. Talk really loud, but tell them, why can you not eat bomb pops?
My parents won't let me eat dye. I'm not exactly allergic to it. They just say it makes me crazy. So I'm also not allowed to eat gluten. Not allergic still. It's just, so it makes it harder to eat everything.
Right. So do you feel left out sometimes when your friends are eating bomb pops?
Actually, I don't even ask to eat them, but I have seen them. They're star shapes at the pool. They have a snack bar there.
Do you wish that you could eat bomb pops?
I just want to be able to. Yeah, I'll eat stuff. I just really want to. It's hard.
Yeah. So that's why one of the reasons we're making these bomb pops, right? So we are going to make popsicles that Isaac's going to be able to eat because it doesn't have colors in it. So we don't do dyes around here because they do.
We do them if they're not artificial color versions.
Yeah, so if they're natural colors. So this recipe actually calls for strawberries, yogurt, and blueberries, and
But the problem is my mom couldn't eat that then because of the strawberries.
Why?
You're allergic to them?
I'm allergic to strawberries.